Manually typing dates in is tedious and error-prone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a calendar picker in Google Sheets that lets you select dates from a calendar, making your data entry faster and more accurate. Let's get started. For example, here we have a project timeline that needs completion dates, but who has the time to type out each date over and over? Instead, we can add pop-up calendar pickers that allow you to quickly select dates from a calendar. To add calendar pickers to cells, first we need to select all of the cells that we want to add them to. So I'm going to select the date complete column. Then open the data menu and select data validation to open the validation window. Click add role to add a new role and set the criteria to isValidDate. Hit done to add the new role, and that's it. Now, whenever you double click any of these cells, a mini calendar will pop up, allowing you to quickly select any date with just one click. This is so much easier. There you have it, a simple way to add a calendar picker to your Google Sheets. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel for more tips.